find you a support system. Somebody that when you go home when you've been beat up all day, that can say it's going to be okay. Because, sorry, I get choked up when I talk about family. I couldn't have done this without my wife.
Yeah.
Dude, I quit 7 times the first year.
Get out the street and let's do it.
My first paycheck for the month with 5 kids, mortgage, and no money in the bank. So I'll never forget that amount, $302. And I remember going home and sitting down with my wife, and honey, I got my first paycheck. And she says, what was it? I said, $302. She goes, well, that's not bad for your first week. Oops. I said, honey, that's not for a week, that's for a month. And although she said another negative to me that day, I saw actual fear in her eyes. I saw fear. And I vowed to myself, I would never, ever see that look on her face again. So I started going in earlier, staying later, knocking on more doors, picking up the phone, talking to more people. So there's 2 paychecks I'll never forget. First one was $302. The second one was 3 years later, when my check for the month was over $30,000. And my wife says, you just made more in a month than it used to take you a year to make working 12 hours a day. We just held each other and cried. I'm now living a life that I thought I would never get to live with the way I grew up. It's hard to fly like an eagle when surrounded by turkeys.
Yeah.
So I don't surround myself with turkeys, man. Because when you change your life, but the people around you don't, they just want to drag you back down to their level. So get you a support system, surround yourself with eagles, and get after it, man.